So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Worldcoin cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here, at the top where it says search name or symbol, just go ahead and start typing in Worldcoin. So if you just type in world right here, it'll show up Worldcoin ticker symbol WLD. Go ahead and select that. Once you have WorldCoin selected, go to the bottom and press on the green buy button. Then once you're here, you can type in the amount of WorldCoin that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $6 worth, you would type in 6 and then press review. Once you're on the review page right here, you can then check the amount as well as the cost and the fees that you're buying. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can buy WorldCoin here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.